plane. Emergency landing on the highway, or who knows what happened there.
Probably was an engine on fire or something they had to put down. It's a jet too. It's not a prop plane.
It is kind of crazy. Those cars are still going right by it. Oh, it's kind of moved a little bit.
Yeah,
that's a fairly big plane, actually.
It is. It's a decent sized plane. It's
Somebody telling people to stay. Oh man,
there's another
jeez.
explosion here.
Oh, there goes the wing.
Yeah, gee. Videotaping it?
Yeah.
That airplane fuel too is high octane.
Yeah, jet fuel.
Was coming this way and hit the wall or something. See the walls all
Something.
must be coming this way and it got spun around. Seems like it would have landed with the flow of traffic, not against it, you know. Oh, I feel the heat.
Yeah, oh yeah, I feel it.